Hi, this is Mark Vila from ColDesi, and today I'm here with the Roland VersaStudio BN20, and we're printing something a little bit different today. Typically, when talking about the VersaStudio, you're talking about doing stickers and decals and even t-shirts, but it's not as often that folks talk about doing window cling, and especially clear window cling. So it's really easy to do, just as simple as everything else, and it's great for your customers in generating repeat business for you. The reason being is window cling is something that comes on and off seasonally, so your customers that go through sales and holidays and things like that will be consistent business for you, going from Halloween to Thanksgiving to Christmas to New Year's to Valentine's Day, from one sale to the next. So let's go ahead and watch it print and put this cling on a window. Well, here we are with our printed window cling. What I love about the Roland BN20 is that everything's just done in one shot. So it's great for simplicity, it's great for multitasking in a business. You set up your artwork, you set up your print and cut all together, and then you send it over to your Roland and you could go and do other things while the equipment is doing the work for you. When it's done, I cut it up into tiles like this, and here we have one. Our unwanted window cling just comes right off, one easy shot, and this one is ready to go to our window. Window clings are great because your customers can reuse them, reapply them, and save them right back in the carrier sheet that you provided them. This particular window cling cost about 60 cents to produce, so it's definitely a profitable item for your business. To learn more about using window cling with the BN20, visit coldesi.com and live chat with one of our pros.